Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Dramatic scenes in Mandeville last night as a running gun battle between the police and gunmen in a motorcar ended with the death of 2 men. Residents describe a movie-like scene which saw scores of people in the heavy evening commute running for cover. 2 guns were reportedly taken from the men. Krista Campbell reports.
Police lights illuminated the night sky in Mandeville, Manchester on Friday. In the spotlight, a single slipper beside a white motorcar with all 4 doors open as if in calm surrender. It's the aftermath of what was anything but the typical Friday evening rush within the parish capital. No one wanted to speak on camera, but a resident explained that the action started with a high-speed chase between the white Toyota motorcar and a black motor vehicle in which police were traveling. Things got to a head when both vehicles got into the busy town square. An empty taxi sits like a child in punishment beside the ill-fated Toyota motorcar. TVJ News understands that as a shootout ensued between 2 gunmen in the white car and the police, all the occupants quickly exited the taxi to safety.
We about 2 different barrage gunshot, and we are saying about that. When it's a couple of minutes after we said 3 men get shot around here. The place around with the people. Nobody can go east, west, north or south.
A lot of persons they were waiting on taxi. I was waiting on my taxi. A lot of persons waiting on taxi. And when they run, we run to the plaza. I run down the plaza and the gate locked because they know they lock off the lock at certain time. So people run upstairs and people were just running into the shop, at the edges of the shops.
Well, gunshot is that thing move fast, you know. So less than a minute then last.
Spent shells tell the tale of a chase that would take the police and gunmen through this gas station. Residents noting it could have ended so much differently for the bystanders who were caught in the crossfire.
Most nervous time is when I was running and running beside the wall, walking beside the wall, and I look, me feel the wall and I vibrate. So that was feeling me. The only thing left for me to feel is something touch me. And that made me try to avoid, so I just put myself behind the columns. Them. And where I run on the plaza here, you know, there's a shot that from over there that touched the concrete above my head, you know. You understand me? So anybody could get drained or get a shot.
There have been no reports of injuries to any bystander, but a resident says if something like this could happen in the town square, he will be playing it safe from now on.
4:30, 5:30, 5 o'clock. We party a la car, you see? Every time I run out, I'm not going to party again. By the time I'm going to drink it. You get that?
And though it's not the first shooting incident in the town in recent time, a resident says Friday's incident is unlike anything he's ever experienced before.
As a content creator myself, we call a YouTuber. In the street, I want to go for my camera because I was just editing a video standing there. That's why I hold on my head, so I don't hear the gunshot, them I come. So I have to take with myself. So we were behind the kiss, I see a smoke. I tell you, so I was so close till I be a smoke. So I say, no, this is not pretty. So I keep on moving. I say, be a woman. I tell you, mostly I follow behind the women running. The women, they were just running in all directions. Everybody, it was a big panic. We describe it like an Iraq scene.
No look good. We gone on the map for different reasons. Reasons were not good. You see me? A man left for other area can now see up Mandeville then we are there and make we look bad and that no look good.
Police say they took 2 guns from the 2 men in the white car who were found with gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead.
What we are looking for the police, we get it and we feel good. We not gonna lie. Because we don't feel good for no say they escape and gone about their business then we are there. Goodly hurt other people who we don't know about.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is probing the shooting. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.